Hey, welcome again. In this short video, we will review the data and we will use the geography function here so we can get some interesting data on different countries. So let's assume that I have this country list here. I have typed in the names and I'm gonna intentionally misspell. Let's say that in Argentina, I forgot the I, and let's say that in Mexico, I forgot, I did a typo and I have this. And let's do the same here. Let's assume I was sloppy when I was typing in the names and I had the wrong name. So uh, as in other uh, video capsules that we have seen, it's suggested, it's not mandatory, but it is suggested that you set up this as a table. Let's do that, insert table. And don't forget to click the headers option. And the reason I do this is because eventually when we have the data filled on our countries, it's going to be much easier to handle the data if you have it in a table format. So now I have the starting point. Now I will go to data and geography, and Excel will look for these countries. As you can see, it corrected the different typos that I had, except for Mexico. In here, it says, sorry, I don't know what you mean here. Please fix it for me or give me another option. So in this case, when I see this, I say, oh, silly me, I misspelled this. So it's Mexico. And now it will detect the right name. So next you can just, use whatever information you need on these countries, the country abbreviation, the official abbreviation, maybe the telephone calling code, maybe the inflation index, the consumer price index, maybe the GDP, maybe the gasoline price or whatever. And here you can just use the leader. In this case, maybe it's a little too long. So let's say I don't want this. Let's go back and erase this. Let's go to delete this column. And let's say I want to instead use, I don't know, the gasoline price, whatever, and here you can see different data, fields, population, and so on. So once you have this, you can, select all the columns. If you want to adjust the width, you can just click in the midline here, the division line here. You can place your cursor in any of these selected divisions. In any of these, you can double click here and it will adjust the width. And you can also, if you want, you can center and it will look a little more, appealing to the eye and to the analysis. So in this case, you have these different country metrics, and that's it. I hope you can, well, let's do one last thing here. I have this, it's not looking very nice, so I'm just gonna center across selection, and that's better. Okay, so that's it. I hope you have found this function useful and you will use it a lot in your activities, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.